Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to overlay image in Word. For this you need to first click on the insert and click on the picture. Click on this device and select the picture from your computer. For example, I'll select these two pictures. Click OK. So now you can resize it from this white point and resize the first image. Click on the first image and on the right side click on the layout option and click on the square and do the similar thing with the second image. Click on the layout option and click on the square. Now you can move this picture anywhere on the page. Now if you want to place this image onto the another image like this one, you can do that and right click and click on the bring to front or even click on the send to back. If you want to bring to front, you need to click on that, and if you want to click on send to back, you can click send to back like this one. You can resize it and place it over here, and now select the both image and right click and click on the group and click on the group, and now you can move both image simultaneously like this one. Now they will behave as a single graphic. I hope you understand how to add image on image in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.